If you want Allah to protect you, to say the right thing in the right time, to act the right thing in the right time, especially when test comes in, you need to have, I call it, credit with Allah. This is how I call it. What credit you have with Allah, that when the test comes in, whether the test, again, in saying, in acting, in responding, in not doing, in holding, what credit you have with Allah, that credit comes and protects you. So when you make that dua in that moment and you have not been with Allah all that time, Allah sometimes do it because He is Kareem, He is generous. But if I am Sayyidina Yusuf, where I have built credits and credits and credits, when the real test comes in, a young man, a woman of power, a woman of beauty, and she beautified herself, and everything was ready for him. If he disobeyed Allah, I was forced. But then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala immediately, as I said last week, puts his father in his face. They say, Allahu Alam. Or he heard the voice, meaning it doesn't befit you. How many of us have this credit with Allah? This is one of the main stories you get from the story of Sayyidina Yusuf. That he has this relationship with Allah, that when he needed him, Allah was there before even he said something. And when Allah tested him, he built credit. Like see today,